Today our topic is OR gate. So what is the OR gate? OR gate takes two inputs or more than two inputs and provide the output after performing the OR operation. So first of all we will see what is the symbol of OR gate and how the operation is performed in this gate. The symbol of OR gate is here in this shape. We are giving here two inputs, that is A and B, and it will gives the output by after performing the OR operation, that is A plus B. It is not the symbol of plus, it is called A or B. It is called OR operation. So next one is formula or OR operation. The formula is here A or B. A or B. This is the formula. Now we discuss about its truth table. The truth table will be like this. Truth table. We are taking here two inputs, that is A and B. So the input will be A, B, and output is Y equal to A plus B. So we are creating here the truth table of OR gate 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 A plus B. So if we are taking the value of A is 0 and the value of B is 0, 0, first one is 0 plus 0 equal to 0. We put here 0, 0, 1, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, it will not be equal to 2. I have told you it is not the symbol of plus, and these are the binary values, which means on or off. So 1 and 1 will be equal to 1. This is the most important thing in this gate. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Now let me see what is happening in this truth table. If both the inputs are 0, listen it very carefully. If both the inputs are same 0, that is 0, then the output of OR gate will be 0. Otherwise, each and every case, the output of OR gate will be 1. Whether it may be 0 1, 1 0 or 1 1. So mean to say, in one and only one case, we will obtain the output 0 if we are having these two inputs 0. Now let us move on the next, which is known as the circuit diagram of the OR gate. So let me understand how the OR gate is works with the help of circuit diagram. So circuit diagram is given here, and with the help of circuit diagram you can easily understand how the OR gate is works. So 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1, we are obtaining here 0 and 1 1 1. These are inputs and this is output. So we are having here the circuit diagram. This is the battery and these are the keys or switch, and here we are having a bulb. Now A and B. If the power supply is on and the value of A, this is A and this is B. If the value of A is 0 and B is 0, that means A is off and B is off. Power goes till here, but the keys are off. Both the keys are off. Then the flow of power will be off here, and in this case bulb will be off. Bulb will not be on because both the keys are off, that is 0. But in next case 0 1, the value of A is 0, then the power in here, the light supply will be off, and the value of B is 1. The power supply, the power flows here, and in this case with the help of this way, bulb will be on. Power goes here and bulb will be on. So we are having output here 1. So in next case, that is 1 0. The value of A is 1 and the value of B is 0. So the power flows from here and the bulb will be on. Here the light will be off because B is off, and we are having output 1 because of here. And in last case, A is on and B is on. The power goes here, and after supplying the power here, we will get the output here, and in this case the bulb will be on. So I think you people can understand with the help of this diagram the OR gate easily, and precautions are same. In the previous gate, the power supply should be on and the wire should be tightly connected. Thank you.